Have you ever heard a car roar so loud it shakes the ground beneath your feet? Welcome to the thrilling world of Quick 8 drag racing at Darlington, South Carolina. This isn't just racing. It's a full-on horsepower showdown where speed is everything. In today's video, we're diving deep into what makes Quick 8 racing such a spectacle. You'll discover how it works, why it's loved, and what sets Darlington apart. Stick around, because we've got wild stories, close finishes, and jaw-dropping speed. If you're a gearhead or just someone who loves the smell of burning rubber, this is for you. We'll also answer a few burning questions along the way. Why is Quick 8 racing so intense? What kind of cars run this class? And why does Darlington hold a special place in drag racing history? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Quick 8 drag racing? The Quick 8 refers to the fastest 8 cars in a given event, matched head-to-head in elimination rounds. It's raw, it's fast, and it's all about who can go from 0 to 200 plus mph the quickest. These aren't your average street cars, they're highly tuned beasts made for speed. Quick 8 racers bring big horsepower, usually from V8 engines with nitrous or superchargers. Each race is a straight-line sprint. No corners, no second chances. The pressure is real, and every driver knows one mistake means it's game over. It's short, explosive, and packed with adrenaline. One of the best parts? You never know who's going to win. Sometimes a local underdog takes down a seasoned pro. It's drag racing in its purest form. Now you might ask, why is Darlington, South Carolina such a big deal in the drag world? Darlington Dragway has deep roots in Southern motorsports. Known as one of the oldest and most respected tracks in the Southeast, it's a hotspot for outlaw drag racers. The track is well prepped, the crowd is passionate, and the vibe is electric. Quick 8 events here draw serious talent from across the region. Many racers say the Darlington Strip feels like home. It's where legends are born. And the fans? They bring the heat, filling the stands and lining the fences for a close-up view. It's not just about the cars, it's a Southern drag culture experience. When a Quick 8 showdown happens at Darlington, everyone knows it's going to be wild. And that's what makes it special. Let's talk about the machines behind the madness. Quick 8 cars are often heavily modified Mustangs, Camaros, Novas, or even dragsters. They're built for one thing: speed on the eighth or quarter-mile strip. Horsepower can range anywhere from 1,000 to over 2,500. That power comes from big block engines, often with turbochargers or nitrous oxide systems. Lightweight frames, slick tires, and advanced suspension help them launch hard. These builds aren't cheap. Some cost more than a house. But for racers, it's about chasing the fastest pass possible. They tinker, tune, and rebuild to shave milliseconds off their time. Every part matters, from the drivetrain to the electronics. And when it all comes together, the result is insane acceleration. So how does a Quick 8 event run from start to finish? First, racers qualify during test and tune sessions. The top 8 fastest times make the elimination ladder. Then it's single elimination, round by round, until 2 finalists remain. Each race is a one-shot duel, no room for second tries. Reaction time at the light can make or break a pass. Drivers must be focused, fast, and fearless. The winner of each round moves on, and losers go home. The final round is the ultimate showdown. It's high tension, high stakes, and usually a photo finish. That's what makes it so fun to watch. Quick 8 racing isn't just about the cars, it's about the people. At Darlington, the pits are filled with racers helping each other out. There's friendly trash talk, but also real camaraderie. Families come together, and fans bring grills, chairs, and tents. You'll see kids racing junior dragsters while adults prep full-sized monsters. Vendors sell food, parts, and gear. It's a festival vibe. Local announcers hype up the crowd with every run. It's loud, it's smoky, and it's filled with heart. You don't have to be a racer to feel the passion. That's what draws people back year after year. It's Southern drag culture at its best. Every race brings moments of glory and heartbreak. Some drivers blow their engines just before qualifying. Others win their first ever round and feel like kings. One small mistake, like a red light or tire shake, can ruin the day. But when it works, when a perfect pass happens, it's magic. You'll hear the crowd roar like it's a football game. We've seen last-minute repairs, crazy comebacks, and underdog victories. Sometimes, it's not about winning. It's about putting on a show. Even losing racers earn respect when they go all out. The highs are electric, and the lows? They just make the next run even sweeter. Let's answer some common questions you might have. Question: how fast are Quick 8 cars? A. Some hit 1/8 mile speeds over 150 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Question: can anyone race Quick 8? A. You'll need a serious car and a license. This isn't beginner-friendly. Question why 8 cars? A. It's short, exciting, and keeps the competition tight. Question is it dangerous? A. Absolutely. That's why safety gear and inspections are crucial. Question do they race at night? A. Yes, and under the lights. It looks amazing. Question what does it cost? A. Between $20,000 and $100,000 plus for a competitive build. Question who's the crowd favorite at Darlington? A. That changes every race, but locals always cheer loud. Question how loud is it? A. Bring earplugs. Seriously, got more questions? Drop them in the comments. We might cover them in the next video. What makes Quick 8 at Darlington truly special? It's the combination of speed, skill, and soul. You're not just watching cars, you're watching people chase dreams. It's as much about heart as it is horsepower. Every burnout, every launch, every win, it all adds up to something unforgettable. You can't fake passion, and this place has it in spades. There's tradition, competition, and pure adrenaline. The sounds, the smells, the sights, it all hits you at once. Darlington isn't just a drag strip, it's a proving ground. For many, winning here means everything. And even if you don't win, you'll never forget the ride. So did that fire you up to see a race for yourself? Quick 8 drag racing is one of the most exciting motorsports you can watch live. And Darlington, South Carolina, is the place where it truly comes alive. If you've never been, go. If you've been, go again. And if you just love racing stories, hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment telling us your favorite pass or moment from a Quick 8 race. Got a car you think could make the cut? Let us know. We're always bringing you the best from the drag world. This is where speed meets soul, on the strip, under the lights, in Darlington. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you at the next race.